Good afternoon and welcome to you all. Let me introduce myself. I am Saluta and this is Shalakon, Puntalika and Ramita. We are a student at Chiang Mai University. Today we will show you about the advantages and disadvantages of biodegradable plastics. The reason why we choose this topic because this plastic can solve global warming, which is a big problem today. I am going to develop the main points. Shalakon and I will start with the advantages of biodegradable plastics. Then Puntalika and Ramita will show you disadvantages. The presentation will last about 10 minutes. Please feel free to interrupt me at any time if you have a question. And did you know why we should use biodegradable plastics? Biodegradable plastic can offer many advantages. First, it can reduce carbon dioxide. This is because using sugar and carbon dioxide to create this plastic. Moreover, it does not use petrochemical in production process. It can lead to reducing of greenhouse gases because carbon dioxide is a major component in formation of greenhouse gases which cause global warming, and it releases little carbon dioxide during manufacturing compared to normal emission rate. Second, it consumes less energy during manufacturing cycles. It burns fewer fossil fuels. Third, it directs petroleum in proper ways. It redirects petroleum to use in transportation or heating needs instead. Now I will turn the floor over to Shalakon. She will tell you more about the advantages of biodegradable plastics.
Another advantages of biodegradable plastic are it reduces the amount of waste we produce. This kind of plastic can be broken down in 18 to 36 months, depending on what method is used. Moreover, biodegradable plastic require less area for landfills, since this plastic can be absorbed in the soil and converted to compost or humus, so we can use area for agriculture, residential or industrial applications. These plastics are broken down naturally by bacteria, which name is Ideonella saccharensis. It works by secreting an enzyme known as PETase. This split carbon bond in PET, leaving a smaller molecule that bacteria can absorb, and using a carbon as a food source that leaves us less waste to manage overall, and reduce the potential for pollution in every biome. In addition, when you mix normal plastic with biodegradable plastic, the plastic product has often more strength. Biodegradable plastic will be new export industry because it could eliminate the impact of pollution on the environment, making biodegradable a top priority could become a money-making tool for the country that can perfect this technology first. That brings me to the end of my part. Now Puntalika will tell you about the disadvantages of biodegradable plastic. Thank you.
Thank you, Shalakon. However, those are the benefits. What are the disadvantages of biodegradable plastic? One of the disadvantages of biodegradable plastic is that it has to use copland to produce. This results in a lack of copland that is used to consume. Moreover, it also causes issues with engineering. Due to herbicide and pesticide contaminated with the plant can get transferred to the biodegradable plastic in this industry. Biodegradable plastic don't solve ocean pollution problem because they can decompose in ocean water and will float on the surface or create microplastics that are harmful to marine life. In addition, it reduces recycling because our current technology don't allow us to recycle these hybrid items once they reach their ends of life cycle. cycle. Furthermore, biodegradable plastic must follow the right process and require decomposer. Therefore, we shouldn't throw in landfill because they have to use specific decomposer. Biodegradable plastic require proper weather for disposal. Composting goal must slowing when the weather turns colder. If there is high humidity, the process will almost come to the complete stop. Moreover, there is also a risk of contamination because people throw them in the garbage bin. As a result, these plastics are mixed and not safe for reuse. Next, Lavita will tell you more about disadvantages of biodegradable plastic.
Furthermore, it contains small pieces of metal. The polyethylene created through the manufacturing cycle using natural items may contain high levels of manganese, leads to stop breaking down during combustion process. In addition, biodegradable plastic come at higher main cost. At our current technology level, it costs up more than normal plastic production, so it may not be suited for everyone right now, but it could be in the future. That's the end of our talk today. Before we start answering your question, let me briefly summarize what we have said here. We have discussed the advantages and disadvantages of biodegradable plastic. There are several advantages of biodegradable plastic. The obviously advantages is reducing carbon dioxide and consume less energy during manufacturing cycle, so we can use energy in proper ways. It uses less area because it breaks down by bacteria in soil, lead to reducing amount of waste. It can mix with normal plastic. It is also create new export industry. However, some of the disadvantages of biodegradable plastic are that it has to use cold waste to produce, result in issue with engineering, and it isn't solve ocean pollution problem. It can't recycle. This dispersing needs specific process, weather and composter. It has contaminant risk. These plastics are very costly production, but we should also research more for its disadvantages. Now it's time for your question. If there aren't any questions, that brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you.